Namaskar. Welcome to your daily current affairs revision for competitive exams. This content is based on verified news sources. I am going to cover 8 important topics in the next 8 minutes. Let us dive right in. Can you believe what you see online? The government has set a new rule to tackle AI-generated deepfake content. The government has set a 3-hour deadline for social media platforms to take down AI-generated or deepfake content once it is flagged by the government or ordered by a court. The new rules will come into force from 20th February 2026. The new rules amend the 2021 rules and tighten regulation governing synthetically generated and artificial intelligence-based content on digital platforms. This topic is relevant for GS3, under the syllabus topic of Science and Technology. It's crucial to understand the government's initiatives in regulating AI-generated content. Key takeaways: 3-hour deadline for taking down AI-generated content. New rules to come into force from 20th February 2026. Amendments to the 2021 rules. How does India plan to strengthen its defense capabilities? The Draft Defense Acquisition Procedure (DAP) 2026 has been released. The proposed draft DAP 2026 seeks to ensure categorization and procurement strategy based on technological availability and manufacturing readiness and to accelerate the acquisition process. The draft document has been uploaded on the website of the Defense Ministry, and it seeks comments or suggestions on it from various stakeholders. The proposed draft aims to align India's defense acquisition with the rapidly evolving geostrategic landscape, the growth of the Indian economy, the skilling of human capital, the growth of the private defense industry in the country, and the technological imperatives of modern warfare. This topic is relevant for GS3, under the syllabus topic of Security and Defense. It's essential to understand the government's initiatives in defense acquisition and procurement. Key takeaways: Draft DAP 2026 aims to accelerate acquisition process. Categorization and procurement strategy based on technological availability. Comments sought from stakeholders. What are critical minerals, and why are they crucial for India's future? The report highlights that India's pathway to net zero by 2070 will be materially shaped by secure, affordable and responsible access to critical energy transition minerals, CETMs. Dedicated zones have been established in mineral-rich states to facilitate the integrated processes of mining, processing, research, and manufacturing of rare earth elements. This topic is relevant for GS3, under the syllabus topic of Science and Technology. It's essential to understand the importance of critical minerals for India's energy transition. Key takeaways: India's net zero goal by 2070. Importance of critical energy transition minerals, CETMs. Dedicated zones for mining and processing. How is India planning to make AI accessible to all? The government has launched an initiative to democratize AI. The government has made 38,000 plus GPUs available at 65 rupees per hour, boosting affordable AI access. 5G covers 99.9% of districts, powering scalable AI infrastructure across India. AI Kosh offers 500 plus datasets and 273 models as shared national resources. The India AI Impact Summit 2026 will be held from 16 to 20th February 2026 at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi, bringing together global leaders, policymakers, technology companies, innovators, and experts to showcase and deliberate on the transformative potential of AI for inclusive growth, governance, and sustainable development. This topic is relevant for GS3, under the syllabus topic of Science and Technology. It's crucial to understand the government's initiatives in promoting AI adoption and accessibility. Key takeaways: 38,000 plus GPUs available at 65 rupees per hour. 5G covers 99.9% of districts. AI Kosh offers 500 plus datasets and 273 models. Can a Lok Sabha speaker be removed? What is the process? The opposition has moved a no-confidence motion against Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. The process for removal of a speaker is governed by Article 94 of the Constitution and Rules 200 to 203 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Lok Sabha. A member wishing to give notice of a resolution for the removal of the speaker has to do it in writing to the Secretary General of the Lok Sabha. The notice may be given by 2 or more members jointly, but no resolution for the removal of the speaker can be moved unless at least 14 days notice has been given of the intention to move the resolution. This topic is relevant for GS2 under the syllabus topic of polity and governance. It's essential to understand the process of removal of a Lok Sabha speaker. Key takeaways: no confidence motion against Om Birla. Process governed by Article 94 and Rules 200 to 203. 14 days notice required for moving a resolution. What's the latest development in India-UK relations? India and the UK have signed an agreement on social security for employees on short-term overseas assignments. The agreement is a bilateral treaty that coordinates the social security systems of the two countries, ensuring that individuals who have worked in both countries are not disadvantaged. This topic is relevant for GS2 under the syllabus topic of international relations. It's essential to understand the significance of social security agreements between countries. Key takeaways: India-UK Social Security Agreement. Bilateral treaty to coordinate social security systems. Benefits for employees on short-term overseas assignments. What's the latest development in India's astronomy sector? The government has sanctioned the establishment of 2 new telescopes to study the sun and the origins of the universe, besides the upgradation of an existing telescope in Ladakh. Ladakh is already a major center of astronomy in the country, being home to several big and small telescopes. The village of Hanle has been identified as India's first and only dark sky reserve. This topic is relevant for GS3 under the syllabus topic of science and technology. It's essential to understand the significance of astronomy and telescope technology. Key takeaways: 2 new telescopes to be established in Ladakh. Upgradation of an existing telescope. Ladakh as a major center of astronomy. What's the impact of AI on the world? AI is set to effect a transformation that is comparable to any previous revolution, not excluding the Industrial Revolution. Impressive large language models, LLMs, are already rolling out faster than one would have imagined possible. The rivalry between the United States and China in AI has become intense, and the success of recent Chinese models is having a catalytic effect on the AI industry as a whole. This topic is relevant for GS3 under the syllabus topic of science and technology. It's essential to understand the impact of AI on the global economy and society. Key takeaways: AI set to transform the world. Intense rivalry between US and China in AI. Catalytic effect of Chinese models on the AI industry. That's all for today's current affairs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for daily updates. All the best for your preparation.